is the Soundcore Select 4 Go. Now, how did I end up with this speaker? I mean, why did I even bought it in the first place? The other night, I was looking for a high-end speaker, or I was trying to do an experiment to see if I could find a high-end speaker that would cost me less than a high-end speaker would, but then it should still produce that high-quality sound. So I tried searching for days, for like a week, tried searching for hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, and I found nothing. But then, you know how online shopping works. 1 minute you're scrolling, 10 minutes, and you're scrolling for hours, then suddenly some random advertisement pop up, and I found this one that, wow, that is a 25 bucks high-end speaker as it was advertised. So I opened it and found that it has an IP67 water resistant rating. It also has a 20 hours of continuous playback. Wow, that is one long-lasting battery, which, should I give it a try or sample it under that 25 bucks? I was so curious. And now we're gonna try to see if it's really a bang for the buck and if it's really worth the 25 bucks that you're gonna spending on this. Now, it says right here that is IP67 protection and floatable. Does it really float? I guess we better find out. Now, before we start the test, this is a 5-watt speaker that has a monstrous playback of 20 hours. Imagine playing songs, listening to songs for 20 hours. Imagine one whole day. That's wow. Considering this is a very small speaker, but, well, it's very portable, lightweight, and it has a modern vibe to it. The design is also very vibrant. Plus, you have a strap that you could use to hook it into your bag. So you could use this for outdoors, especially when you are go hiking. You could just strap this in and it should hold. It should hold. Now, let's go to the test. Okay, let's make sure to turn this thing on and check everything if it's really intact, firmly sealed. If this thing goes out, we're gonna go back to the drawing board. Let's do this. Let me check, double check. Here goes our speaker. Oh, it's actually alive. Actually floated. Wow, I really didn't believe it the first time I saw it in a box until that experiment. Okay, so the Soundcore is also Bluetooth 5.8. That means you could also connect this to one smartphone to another smartphone. Yeah, you could have multiple device connection with this one. So we're just gonna do a little bit of demo when it comes to the controls. Just a few seconds. You have your power button, volume up and down, but the play and pause have multiple functions. Press it once, you're gonna hit play and pause. Press it twice, and it's going forward. Press it thrice, and it goes backwards. And when you hold the volume up and down, it should straightly increase your volume or decrease. You could also pair two of these. So step one is just to connect it to your smartphone. Then if you have another Soundcore, you just gotta press the Bluetooth function on both of them at the same time, then hold it for a few seconds, then it should connect. And we also have an equalizer that lets you customize your sound the way you like it or however you wish. Now let's try and test the sound with and without the equalizer. Okay, let's try it with another song, just for a few seconds. Okay, there's no words to sugarcoat for this one, except it's really a nice sounding speaker. That super punchy bass, that treble, and you get that highs and lows that are well balanced. Wow! It's also a bang for your buck since it is at $25 price tag, which you can buy two of these with the price of one JBL, and it's really super worth it. You might want to try this one out. And hopefully we will see JBL and other speaker manufacturers to, let's say, have a response to this Soundcore. Okay, we're gonna be doing a lot more testing soon, and see you guys around.